Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Instagram not working after iOS 17 on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix Instagram not working on iPhone after iOS 17? First solution, you have close and reopen the Instagram again. Sometimes certain software glitches stop the app to work properly. If these glitches close and reopen your Instagram, by doing this you will be able to solve both the software and app glitches. While Instagram is not working properly, so you have close, double tap on home button, so you have remove and reopen the Instagram app on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have restart iPhone or iPad. If the problem is still prevails and Instagram does not open, restarting your iPhone can be the best option to fix software bugs and glitches. Restarting the device will be close all the app automatically and your device will work freshly. So press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Then third solution, you have disconnect Wi-Fi and reconnect it. Sometimes the problem occurs due to connectivity issues. Check whether your data network has encountered any problem, as Instagram completely works through the internet and error in internet connection can be reason for Instagram not working proper. So you have disconnect the Wi-Fi, then reconnect the Wi-Fi, and then he is working of proper on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, remove Instagram and reinstall it. If Instagram is still not working, it might be happen because of the app's error and glitches. Due to malware and other complex bugs, Instagram might become corrupt and no longer can be used on device. To fix this problem, you need to uninstall the app and remove all its data from cache files and reinstall it again. So you have removed from here, so then you have reinstalled from App Store. And last solution, you have upgrade Instagram app. Developers keep on updating the version of the app to ensure proper working and introduce new features in the app. Instagram not working issue can also occur due to older version of Instagram installed on your device. Sometimes you forget to update your app. The older version is of apps become unstable. So this was to fix the Instagram is not working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.